So once you get your affiliate link from Amazon Associate, then you want to head over to YouTube, and then you're gonna want to do this. If you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Darius McKinney, and in this video, we're gonna talk about how to do Amazon affiliate marketing without making a YouTube video. Also, if you're new to affiliate marketing, make sure you grab my free affiliate marketing ebook. It'll be the first link in my description. It will teach you how to get started and all the ins and outs you need to know as a beginner. So make sure you grab it in the first link in my description. Okay, so before I even show you how to do Amazon affiliate marketing without making a video, there's several things you need to take in mind before you do this, right? So basically, when you upload a video from YouTube, you don't want to get copyrighted from YouTube. And second, you don't want to download videos without creating without Creative Commons, but don't download videos that Creative Commons videos. So what I mean is basically like videos that allow you to download it and you can use it for this to work. So in order to make this work, we need to pick a niche. So basically, a niche is something like you're passionate about or some you have a passion for. So basically, once you have your niche, then we can still go to Amazon Associate and sign up for them. So basically, you can go to Amazon Associate. So basically, to find that, you can go to all the way scroll down all the way to the bottom on Amazon page, and then you can scroll down to you can scroll down. It's just so Amazon Associate. So basically, when you once you find that, you can go. It's gonna pop up this website, and it's free to join. So you don't have it's no you don't have to pay for anything. So as you see, the button right here says join for free. So once you do that, like it shows you the amount of earning you will earn for each whatever your niche is. So basically, for this purpose, we're gonna do gadget and tech. So basically, as you can see, so like they show you the different earnings. So like earn like 10% on luxury beauty products and 8% on home and garden. So basically, the reason why I picked tech and gadgets because for you that's the highest paid they get. So basically that's 10%. So basically, out of $100 you probably be making like somewhere between like 20 and 40 $50 because it's 10% of it. So basically that's what how much you be making with Amazon Associate. But if you pick something another niche that's not like not as really popular like that, you're gonna probably make less money because it's not as popular. So that's why I picked the highest price. I mean the highest niche that makes a lot of money in. So once you pick your niche and sign up with them, so basically you'll click this and it'll take you to a sign up page where you can put your name and email and your address and you get signed up with them and you basically you're already set up with them. So once you do that, then the reason why I have this YouTube video right here. So basically we're gonna download the video and then we're gonna edit the video and you're gonna put your description and then you're gonna put your affiliate link in there and then once people click your affiliate link they're gonna buy from you. So once that happens, right? So as you see we got Amazon Echo Bud. So basically you'll be doing a review for the product or so basically you'll be doing a review of the product and just basically to download the video that looks similar to like the product like here. And so that's basically what you will be doing. So basically you do a review of the product and you're going to download it and then you're gonna put your affiliate link in the description below. So as you can see here, it says available here. So this is the Amazon affiliate link. So once somebody click here and buy, you'll get a commission and you start making money with Amazon Associate. So we're gonna pick a product that's very similar to this Amazon Echo Buzz. So basically, I already picked the product for you already. So basically, what you're gonna do is basically go to Amazon and basically you're gonna type in like headphones or something like that. So like right here on the search bar at the top of Amazon, you're gonna type in like earbuds or in here headphones or anything like headphones or tech or gadget or anything like that. So and then like once you do that, then you're gonna come down here to like where it says customer review. So we're gonna pick the product that's mostly selling and has the most reviews, so you can make the most money of your time, and so you won't waste money on products that's not selling or not proved to work. So once we do that, we're gonna click 5 star or 4 star up. The most has the most review, and it's gonna come to this page, right? So once it comes to this page, you're gonna look for the one that had the most reviews on it. So the views are like the numbers on the side that's blue. So the highlight blue right here, and then the highlighted right here. Basically, basically, as you can see, all of them are like less than 10,000, and they're not getting a lot of views. But this one this one right here, it's getting over 10,000 views on it, and people, it's almost a complete 5 star rating. So as you can see, it's 4.4 out of 5. So that's basically good. So basically, we're gonna do a view of this and start making sales off of this and make a YouTube video. And we're gonna download the YouTube video, and then we're gonna put the affiliate link in the description of the video. So basically, what you're gonna do is basically you gonna make a so you're gonna copy this the name of the product, and basically just go to straight to it, and just you're gonna copy this picture right here, and then once you have that, then you're gonna copy this the headline right here, and then put it in a YouTube search to see how much review is getting. So once we put the name up here, so the name of the product is called TOZO T10 Bluetooth wireless earbuds. So basically, once we type that in, we're gonna see all the different the reviews for it. So basically, you want a view that's very good and getting a lot of views, because if you're not getting a lot of views on your video, then you're not gonna make a lot of sales, right? So traffic equals money. So basically, what you want to do is find a video that's getting a lot of traction and a lot of engagement on the video, and start making sales with it, and that's basically what you want to do. So you basically want to find a video that get a lot of traffic, and so you can start making sales, right? So you want to start scrolling down on YouTube and see which one gets a lot of views on the video, right? So as you can see, okay, so as you can see, this one is getting 64K views. So this one's getting 29. This one's getting 15. The next one right there is getting almost 1,000. So as you can see, there's not people a lot getting views on it, but so the first one is getting a lot of views. So we're gonna go with that one, because that's literally the only one that's getting like 10K plus views. Once we know that, when we can copy something like this, like the thumbnail, or start making a video very similar like this, or basically we can just we're just gonna do is basically just download the video. So basically you don't want to download just any video, right? So basically you want to filter it through create a comment, just like I said in the beginning of the video. So basically you want to download a video that says Creative Commons. So how we're going to find that is basically filter all through the videos on YouTube, and search that. So you're going to go to filters, and then you're going to go Creative Commons, and so once we do that, it's going to filter all through the videos for us. I already did it, but so basically I got to do it again to show you. For example, um, so if we download any of these videos, right, these are not Creative Commons videos. So basically, if we download this video and try to rank for it and stuff like that on YouTube, we're gonna get a copyright strike from YouTube. And so basically, YouTube give you like 2 or 3 warnings, and then third time or the second time, you're gonna get banned from YouTube, and you can't use YouTube no more to make videos and stuff like that. So basically, what you're gonna do is go to filter, and then you're gonna go to comment strike, and then it's gonna filter all through the videos that you can use. So as you can see the screen before, these are all the videos that you can use. So basically this one right here, you're gonna use this because it has a lot of traction and a lot of engagement on it, and it's ranking #1 on YouTube because it's already #1 on the search when we type in this the title of that product. So what we're gonna do is go on the side, the three arrow I mean through the 3 buttons on the side, and basically you're gonna download it. And basically once you download it, you're gonna go to this website called Save from Nets, and then once you go to there, basically you type in the link, and then you can download it. So let me just get the link for you to download it. Okay, so now that we decide we want to go with this video, we're gonna right click on the video, and then we're gonna copy a link address, and then we're gonna go to save.net. And so we're gonna enter this search bar right here and just copy it, and then we're gonna paste it. So once that's being processed, it's gonna you can download it, and then you can put your description and stuff like that. Okay, so now that we got the YouTube video, so basically what you're gonna do is basically download the video to your computer, and then you're gonna save it, and then so you want to basically put in the highest quality. So the highest quality for this would be like MP4. So you don't want low quality, because people are not gonna like it, and a lot of people are not gonna like see it stuff. So you want the most high quality, and so once you do that, basically we can create a banner for this, and just basically like either like create a thumbnail, or basically create a nice advertising throughout the video, so people can pique the interest and maybe want to buy it or maybe not buy it. So basically what a banner is basically like an advertisement where people, you put the product right in front of them, and basically people have interest in buying the product that we're trying to promote from Amazon Associates. So let's jump over to Canva, where I'm gonna be making the banner for you and show how you can do this for any type of niche. So basically for this, you can do this in any niche. So like you can do this in like tech, you can do this in like cooking, you can do this with cars, or you can do this in any type of niche that you can think of. Okay, so now that we're in Canva, basically I'm gonna just take you through the steps, because I already basically made the thing for you, but basically I'm gonna just take you through the steps what I just did. So basically this is something you will make. So basically you can make something like a good nice headline that capture people attention, and then you're gonna have the product right in front of them. So basically, a picture of the product, what they're going to be buying through our affiliate link in the description, and then you can have the name of the product and have extra stuff and details about the product to spice it up for them to buy. So basically, Canva is basically where you can edit like thumbnails and poster boards or anything like that. So basically, this is like a mini poster right here. So I created basically for you. So basically, what I did is basically I basically got one of these posters on the side, and I just basically edited it. And so basically, what I did was, and then next, what I did was, I got I got a text, and then I edited the text, made it like sales, or like you can just made a great headline to catch the person's attention. And then what I did was copy the pictures from like Amazon. So basically, what I did was went here and just basically just copy the picture. So you can basically copy the picture. Yeah, basically copy the picture, like copy image or save the image as. And basically, I did that, and then I downloaded it. So once I did that, I pasted it in here, and then after that, and then I put some more text in here, and then so I put the name of the product. So the TOZO Z10 Bluetooth 5.0 wireless earbuds, and so then that's basically how I did it. So basically, so once I download the picture of the product, I uploaded the image, and then I put the image in here. So I'm basically done. So basically, you can do anything like this. So let's say you do have a cooking product that helps somebody make them cook better or something. So basically, you can do the same thing. You can basically go to Amazon and get the cooking product and just copy and paste and put it right here, or you can just edit the headline. So if we want to change the headline, we just basically go right here and we just change it. So let's say you want to have a headline for this. So um, earbuds are let's say dope or something like that, right? So let's say we're gonna change the text to like 72. That's too small. So we wanna have the headline big because people don't like small stuff. So that's a great marketing tip I just gave you. So you wanna basically have the headline big and never small. So something like this, but that can fit in. So basically something like this. So if we keep something like this, um, something like that, something like that size, and then put some subtitle text under it. That would be great. But for this purposes, I'm just showing you an example of what you would need to do with Canva. So then you can just copy the picture from Amazon. So basically, like I just said, you can right click it and just get copy image, and then you go back to Canva, and then have your cooking picture right here, and then have the name of the product. So the name of the product, whatever the product name is. So like I said, the first the first type of the title of it. So basically, like I said, TOZOT10 Bluetooth 5.0 wireless earbud. So once you have that, you can put it right here, whatever the cooking name of the product. So you can put it right here, and then you have some more subtitle text about it to make it spice it up. So that's basically what you'll be doing. So basically, once you have that, then we can upload the video and then put the description and then start ranking for it and then put the tags in and all that stuff for it. So basically, that's basically it for it. So basically, what you would do is basically upload the video that we downloaded from save.net. So once we had that in our laptop, you're gonna go to YouTube and basically upload it. And so then once you upload it, then you can put the description. So another tip for the YouTube description, once you upload it, you don't want to have all these different links in here because people are going to be distracted what you're trying to promote to them. So basically, you just want this affiliate link in here and give a nice description about the product or whatever that you're trying to promote. And you don't want too much stuff in here because, like I said, people are going to get distracted. So basically, you can just wipe out all the stuff out here and just basically just delete all that and just have the affiliate link straight to the Amazon product. And then once people click that, they're gonna buy. So then you can just put like the YouTube tags in here that are related to the product. So basically, the product is so the product will be like this right here. So the ZO T1 Bluetooth wireless earbud. So basically we put the same tags right here and here close to around it and just start ranking for it. And so that's pretty much it. So again, like I said, you can do this for any product and any niche. So basically, what I did was type in Amazon cookie knife. So basically, you can do review like these people are doing, and basically just download the video like all the steps I just showed you, and basically go through the same steps for any niche, and then you can start making money with Amazon on YouTube without making a YouTube video. So basically, that's what you can do. So basically, you just go through here, go through filter, and just basically click on Creative Commons. So basically, Creative Commons basically will it's basically where people give you the privilege to download a video and do whatever you want to do with it. So basically, so as you can see, this person get over 100K views. So you could just do an Amazon a cooking knife review for this, and so basically you just do the same thing, like the same steps I just showed you how to do it, and that's basically it for this YouTube video. If you found this YouTube video very helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and you turn on post notification. Also, make sure you comment and smash that like button because it gives more feedback if I should post more content around this topic. So make sure you go do that, and I will see you next time when I post YouTube videos on this channel.